Welcome to qnawire.
13% of companies have eliminated jobs. What is the probability that at least 3 companies have eliminated a job in a sample of 5? So we are going to use the binomial distribution probability formula here. N factorial over n minus x factorial times x factorial times p to the x times 1 minus p to the n minus x. So what we have to do here is we have to find the probability that x equals 3 plus the probability that x equals 4 plus the probability that x equals 5, because 3, 4, and 5 are all greater than 3. So we're going to do this formula 3 times. We're going to start with 3. So we do 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial, which is 2 factorial, times 3 factorial, times 0.13 to the x power, which is 3, times 0.87 to the second power, because 5 minus 3 is 2. When I do that, I get 0.017. So now let's do x equals 4. So I do 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 4 factorial, which is 1, times 4 factorial. Multiply that by 0.13 to the 4th power times 0.87 to the 5 minus 4 power, which is 1. 5 factorial divided by 1 factorial times 4 factorial is 5. So I do 5 times 0.13 to the 4th times 0.87 to the 1st, and I get 0.001. Now let's do the probability that x equals 5. So you do 5 factorial over 5 minus 5 factorial, which is 0 factorial, times x, which is 5 factorial, and you do 0.13 to the 5th power, 0.87 to the 5 minus 5 power, which is 0. And when you do this, you get a very small number. It's 3.7 times 10 to the negative 5, which is 0.00037. So now the last thing I do is I add those 3 probabilities. 0.17, which is what probability that x equals 3, plus the probability that x equals 4, which is 0.001, plus the probability that x equals 5, which is 0.00037, which is equal to 0.018, or 0.18%. So the probability that companies have eliminated, that out of 5 companies, 3 of them have eliminated jobs, would be 0.818%.